So you heard all the speeches, you watched all the videos, Tisha B'Av, the 9th of Av, is now over, and you're ready. We can rebuild the temple, rebuild the Beis HaMikdash. We did all the work we need to do. We're going to be kind to each other. Let's go. There's actually one more prerequisite that needs to be taken care of, and we need to understand in order for us to really merit to true unity and to join us together as one nation. When the Torah discusses the Jewish nation finally entering into the land of Israel and it's predicting what is going to happen, it says, Uvikashtem misham es Hashem Elokecha, and you will search for God, umatzasa, and you will find him. But there's a grammatical error here. Uvikashtem means and all of you will search. Umatzasa means and you as an individual will find God. So we start off talking about the plural and we end off referring to the singular. And the reason why the Torah does this is to give us a hint to this prerequisite that I mentioned. And that is that if we really want to unify as one nation and merit to the salvation of having the temple rebuilt, we need to realize that we all have to connect to the same nucleus, which is God. If all of us have shared goals that we're searching for God and we're striving in our spirituality, if we're all doing that same thing together, then by being kind to each other and not hating each other, we can actually truly unify as one nation, changing from a plural to an individual one nation as if we're one body. But obviously, if we're not all sharing that common goal of searching for God and trying to grow in our spirituality, just being kind to each other may not be enough. And this is what the Torah is teaching us. So now, keep in mind all the speeches you heard before, but take this one into consideration too, and put it together with everything else, and hopefully that'll put us all together with everyone else. Have a great week.